Friends, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a puppet. These are the materials. We need a triangle and a circle. And then we need some colors is peach and black. And also we need glue. Now we are going to make it. First take the triangle. Before that we need to take the round piece. Next get the round piece. And then we will color it. After we finish coloring, we are going to put the eyes and the mouth. And then we are going to make the hair. I colored it. So next we are going to put on the back side some glue. After we put some glue, we are going to stick it. Next we are going to take a paper stick because I don't have a cone stick. Next we are going to put it on some glue. Next we are going to stick it on the back. There we made a puppet. It's very simple to make. You all should also try it, and also please subscribe to my channel and like and share. Bye.